Well, at least some people or animals don't mind the blizzard. If they're in their field day. Look at these guys. I guess they were meant to be in the snow, weren't they? Even Toby. I was expecting just to see his tail running around or moving through the snow. No, he's enjoying it. There goes Duster. Like in heaven. Look at those guys. Bear. Yeah, he's not sleeping now, is he? Hey, Bear. So this should dispel anybody's myths when you guys ask if they just sleep all day. No, they do get some running around in too. What are you doing here? Bear, say hi. Bear, you like this? Bear. I think he does. Oh, I know he does. Look at these dumb skulls. Well, here we are so far. Lots of snow here in our part of Jersey. And it's not stopping yet. Oh, the bear. What's up? So it's about 3:30 now. I don't know when it's supposed to stop, but we haven't even started trying to clear out yet. Guess there's really no point. Here over here, you can see the cars. A little bit of the yard. What's not covered, that is. Oh, then there's Bear. And there's Toby. He runs through this like a dolphin, coming up every so often for air. Alright, I just want to give you folks an update. And, we'll be back. We don't get snowed in. Be careful. Get the bread and milk out. It's going to be a while.